Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's move to right corner button to open camera settings. Here at the first place we have resolution option, so we have to tap to it to get access to some options. We can manage now the aspect ratio connected with the quality in megapixels. Let me focus now on aspect ratio because this is the difference we can see by our eyes in the camera preview. So we are in 4:3, let's move to 1:1, and when we go to the camera we can see that the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to right corner button to resolution, and we can pick also full screen. So now we get access to full camera frame, full aspect ratio. Another tap here to resolution, and let me go back to 4:3, the original one. So this is how it works and looks like. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, which is recommended with 12 megapixels. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.